Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and people who open 47 Chrome tabs just to watch one YouTube video. Today, we are unboxing a laptop that claims to be powered by AI, productivity, efficiency, and probably your life choices. The Dell 16 Plus DB16250. Opening the box, yes, premium Dell packaging. Not Apple level, you need a PhD to remove plastic, but classy enough to make you feel like you bought something responsible. Inside the box, we get the laptop itself, looking clean, confident, and slightly judgmental. Charging brick, big enough to power a small toaster. Pulling out the laptop, wow, ice blue finish, smooth, minimal, professional. This thing looks like it drinks sparkling water and says, "Per my last email." Opening the lid, oh, hello. We've got a 16-inch 16:10 display with 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1600. Translation, everything looks sharp enough to cut your self-esteem. IPS panel, anti-glare, about 300 nits brightness. Comfort View Plus for eye protection. Perfect for binge-watching shows you said you'd watch one episode of. And that 16:10 aspect ratio? More vertical space, more spreadsheet rows, more YouTube comments to regret reading. Under the hood, this beast packs Intel Core Ultra 7256V processor. 8 cores up to approximately 4.8 GHz. Built-in AI engine, NPU. Intel Arc integrated graphics. 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. What does that mean in human language? You can open 25 browser tabs, run Office apps, edit photos, do coding, watch 4K videos, pretend to work during Zoom calls. And the AI chip? That powers Copilot features in Windows 11, so your laptop can help write emails while you emotionally recover from writing emails. Real-world performance. Smooth multitasking, light creative work, and everyday tasks run great. But heavy 4K editing or AAA gaming will make it sweat like it owes taxes. Intel Arc graphics means casual gaming? Yes. Esports titles? Easy. Heavy AAA games on ultra settings? No. Integrated graphics can struggle with demanding titles and complex creative workloads. Full-size keyboard with backlight. Perfect for late-night assignments, secret gaming sessions, pretending you're a hacker in movies. There's even a Copilot key, because now your keyboard has a direct hotline to AI. Typing feels solid, responsive, and satisfying. Like you're writing important things, even if it's just grocery lists and passive-aggressive emails. This laptop can last around a full workday of typical use, thanks to power-efficient Intel architecture. Weight, roughly 4 pounds. Thin enough to carry, heavy enough to remind you leg day exists. You get real ports, not just buy accessories ports. Typically includes USB-A, USB-C/Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, headphone jack, yes, HDMI. So you can present at meetings without borrowing cables like a medieval peasant. 1080p webcam with microphones. Decent for calls, though not Hollywood-level beauty enhancement. Speakers are fine, not concert hall, more like respectable podcast. Depending on configuration, expect roughly around $800 to $1,200 in the US. That places it firmly in the serious laptop but not kidney-selling expensive category. Why this laptop is actually awesome. It has huge, sharp display, excellent productivity performance, fast SSD, a solid battery life, AI features baked in, real ports, and premium clean design. Great for students and professionals. Basically, a dependable daily driver that won't embarrass you in public. Because nothing is perfect except pizza. This laptop is not for hardcore gaming. Integrated graphics limits heavy creative work. Some versions lack touchscreen. Not a big fan of. Speakers and webcam, they are just okay. No SD card slot on many configs. Who should buy this? This laptop is perfect for students, office workers, programmers, content consumers, remote workers, light creators, people who want one machine for everything, basically normal humans. This laptop feels like the responsible friend in your group. Not flashy, not reckless, just reliable, capable, and quietly impressive. It won't scream, "Look at me," but it will whisper, "I got your back." If you want a big screen, fast, modern laptop for everyday life, this is a fantastic all-rounder. Not a gaming beast, not a budget toy, just a seriously solid machine. If you want a big screen, fast, modern laptop for everyday life, this is a fantastic all-rounder. Not a gaming beast, not a budget toy, just a seriously solid machine. And that was the Dell 16 Plus DB16250. A laptop so practical, even your parents would approve. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button gently. This laptop believes in efficiency, not violence. Now excuse me, I have 37 tabs open and 0 productivity.